Hi, this is P5, Chapter 1, Whole Numbers, Question 7. At first, Jay and Edward had same amount of water in each of their water bottles. Then Jay drank 150 ml of water from his water bottle and Edward drank 80 ml of water from his water bottle. After that, Edward's water bottle contained thrice as much water as Jay's water bottle. How much did each of them have at first? Alright, so we're gonna go through for second reading. Now we're gonna pick up the keywords. Alright, in this question is clearly mentioned about Jay and Edward, and they're describing their water bottle. So it's two models. Alright, Jay and Edward. So from here is two models. They have the same amount of water in their water bottle. So if you were to draw the model to show this, it's going to be like this. So you have your J, you have your Edward, and both are equal in terms of the volume of water. Alright, then they mention here that J drank 150, whereas your Edward drank 80. Alright, from the bottles in the end, alright, after they drink. So Edward now has 3 times as much as J. So Edward will be 3, whereas J will be 1 unit. Alright, and they asked you to find how much they have at first. So this is your question mark. Alright, so we're gonna fill these informations inside the model. Alright, so from here, okay, let's do this. We go by the results first. The results they mention here, we want to fill this up. Alright, we cannot, for me, I would advise to do the after the result, so we can put in the actual one. Alright, so they mentioned about the result is Edward has thrice as much as J. So Edward, we're gonna do 3, cut it into 3, whereas your J is 1. That's what they mentioned, right? On the at the third sentence, in the third sentence. After that, Edward water bottle contain thrice. So this shows the thrice, this is the 1. Okay, now we can fill up these informations that they drink. So J drinks from here to here, which is 150 ml, whereas Edward drinks from here to here, which is 80 ml. Alright, so what do we see here? If we see this part, okay, I want you to notice this part. Okay, concentrate on this red button that I drew. What do we see? We see that this is the 2 unit, yes? So this 2 unit, what is it equivalent to? It's equivalent to 150 from here to here. Okay, this whole thing minus of this thing. You see, you will get the 2 units here. You see, so 2 units here is equivalent to your 150 minus 80, which will give you 70. Alright, then from there we find for, they want you to find what does each of them have at first. So we get, maybe we can just choose J because J is very simple, just 1 unit. So from here we find 1 unit, which is 70 divided by 2, which is 35 ml. Then we take the J will be 35 ml, we plus 150 ml. That will give us 185 ml. Alright, so that's the question, that's how you solve it. This is before and after, but we can draw exactly on the same model itself. So I hope this video helps you to understand and explain to your child. I'll see you in the next one.